हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू डी रिजॉर्ट। सो आज हम माइकल को पिक करने जा रहे हैं। माइकल इज़ अ समॉइड डॉग एंड वो कुछ दिनों के लिए हॉस्टल पे आ रहा है, सो वी गोना गो एंड पिक हिम अप। सो अब हम हॉस्टल पहुंच गए हैं और ये सारे बच्चे खेल रहे हैं। ये रानी खड्डे कर रही है, ये है सिम्बा, टोनी, ये है हमारी पग ट्रिक्सी, ये है पीकू, ये रहा रूबन और ये रहा स्काई, और वो आ रहा है पीछे से आर्लो। ब्लैक लैब्राडोर रॉकी वापस आ गया है हमारे पास। अब एक बुली डॉग है जिसका नाम जेरी है, जो कि सुसु पॉटी और बेसिक बिहेवियर ट्रेनिंग में हमारे पास आ रखी है। एट अ टाइम हमारे पास काफ़ी डॉग्स रहते हैं ड्यूरिंग द ट्रेनिंग। द बेस्ट वे टू ट्रेन योर डॉग इज़ टू हैव अ गुड बॉन्ड विद देम, बीट योर टीम। अगर आपकी टीम के जो मेंबर्स हैं उनका बॉन्डिंग भी बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए आपके डॉग के साथ, बीट यू। और ये रहा हमारा माइकल। माइकल अब अंदर जा रहा है हॉस्टल के अंदर। ये हमारे हॉस्टल का व्यू है। एज ऑफ प्लेस आई थिंक ये नॉर्थ इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा डॉग ट्रेनिंग सेंटर है। इतनी जगह मेरे हिसाब से प्राइवेटली किसी के पास नहीं है फॉर अ डॉग ट्रेनिंग सेंटर। They're still under development, but for the dogs we have very good space. और ये है स्काई। हेलो एवरीवन, सो ये है हमारा ट्रेनिंग सेशन विद स्काई। स्काई इज अ गोल्डन रिट्रीवर। सिट, गुड बॉय, शेक हैंड, गुड बॉय, एंड I will show you what he does. Sky, salute, yes, good boy, salute. Yes, yes, good boy. And we're gonna show you what he does with the ball. And sit, and catch. Good boy, Sky. Good boy, Sky. Good boy, Sky. Come. Good boy. Up. Come, Sky. Here. Ah. तो ये इसका पहला बॉल का सेशन है। So we're going to do another try and go. Sky, come. Good boy. Good boy. Drop. Give. 3. Sit. Sit. Come. Sit. Down, down, Sky. Sit, down. Yes, good boy. Stay. Come. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. And go. Come. Good boy. Good boy, Sky. Good boy. Come on. Come. No. Come. Up. No. I'm coming. Up. Yes. Sit. Sit. Yes. Good boy. High five. Yes. So he's more interested in the ball, so we're going to let him play with it a little, because that's what he wants to do. So क्या हो गया माइकल? क्या हो गया? Give. And sit. Salute. Yes. Go. Good boy. One more. Michael Shan. That's all for him today. He's a puppy, so we'll not force him too much. We'll give him the ball. We'll let him keep the ball ताकि इसको और इंटरेस्ट आए कल के लिए. And हमारे स्काई को खेलते खेलते सुस्त हो गई है. Alright guys, thank you. So जब आपने डॉग को ट्रेन करें, मेक श्योर उसको आपने ब्रश कर रखा हो, उसके नेल्स प्रॉपर ट्रिम्ड हो. फॉर एग्जांपल इसके नेल्स बढ़ रखे हैं, सो वी गोना कट देम अप. आपको एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए हाउ मच टू कट द नेल. सेम गोज विद द हाइंड वंस. आपको सिर्फ वाइट हिस्से को काटना है, जहाँ वेसल्स है, ब्लड वेसल्स, जहाँ नहीं काटना है किसी भी डॉग को. चेंज स्लाइड्स. Easy. So. बस बॉल नीचे गिरी, कोई बात. Same goes with the hind legs. And you can go play. Go. जब आप हर एक्टिविटी को फन रखते हो तो आपका डॉग बोर नहीं होता है और आपका डॉग आराम से हर चीज़ कर लेता है. गुड बॉय. Good one. Give and treat and one more. बंद कर दो. So ये है हमारा ऑजी and we will do a ऑजी का सेशन with the training and we'll see what we can do. ऑजी come ऑजी. Good boy. ऑजी ले. Come. Good boy. Sit. Ozzy. Sit. Good boy. Shake hands. Yes, good boy. See? Good boy. Now, Ozzy एक aggressive dog है according to their family. अगर वो इससे लड़ेगा तो of course he fights back with them. So we have found a solution that we have to muzzle train him, क्योंकि जब इसको मेडिकल फैसिलिटी चाहिए होती है या अगर इसका कुछ ट्रीटमेंट करना होता है, नेल्स काटना तो कुछ भी करना होता है, तो ये करवाता नहीं वो चीज़ इजीली. सो द बेस्ट वे टू प्रोटेक्ट योर सेल्फ एंड प्रोटेक्ट योर डॉग इज यूज अ मजल. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज हाउ वी train a dog for the muzzle. We use a treat, we put it in it, and we ask the dog to put it on, and then we just switch it on. Or you have to keep it as calm as possible during the whole training. Good boy. And we're going to keep it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're done. So we're going to take it off now. And we will not flinch even if we... Good boy. And again we're going to use our clicker. We're going to give him a treat. So that is with every time you do something with your dog. ये आपको हर बार करना पड़ता है. Michael, no. And again we're going to try the same thing. Is we're going to use a treat. We're going to put it in. We're going to put it on. And we're going to easily put it on. घर वाले जो उसके घर से है वो उनके लिए थोड़ा टफ हो जाता है. To do this with him. And we're going to ask him to shake hand. Michael. So now we have not done this. ये पहली बार हो रहा है कि हम इसका name. Good. 16 nail cut sugar, we're going to cut his foot and we're going to give him with the teeth. No. John. No. Cut ही नहीं रहा, को क्या कर रहे हो? Good boy. Come. Easy. Good boy. क्या हुआ? क्या कर रहा हूँ बेटा मैं? कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा. शांत. So now this is an activity that he doesn't like. That is his nail being cut. इसको डर है इसके या तो किसी ने nail गलत काटा है. So we have to slowly teach him everything. He has to go calm. Good boy. Give me the nail. क्या हुआ? It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. Easy. Good boy. Easy. Will not do much with him. Will not scare him. Will not rush him. No. Will not scare him. Will not rush him. You just easy do it. Bas. Now, Shan. It's all good. It's all good. Shan. And that's how you cut his nails one by one. Now it's a very hard job when you're doing it with a dog that doesn't like certain things. Now it could be past trauma कि उसको किसी ने पास में बहुत गलत तरीके से बिहेव किया, that we have to suffer now. For example, अगर हम इसको टच भी करते हैं, हाँ क्या हो ये क्या हो गया शान, बस मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा. Now you have to take your time with a dog like this. You can't rush your dog, you can't hit the dog, you cannot do anything with the dog. You just have to hold the dog, you have to stay calm, you have to let him get comfortable with the surrounding and everything else. And we're just going to keep on cutting his nails till we're done. Bas. Shan. He is going to react to it, definitely. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपका dog react करेगा, 100% your dog is going to react. But you have to still teach him कि बेटा ये सही चीज़ है, ये गलत है. कि nail trimming करना या medical करना is a normal thing. Good boy, easy. Good. Now इधर लेके आओ. Now बस. Now you can see we've cut all his nails one by one. चारों इसके पीछे वाले काट दिए, उधर वाले भी काट दिए और इधर वाले भी अपन देखें. बस. शांत. You may shake hand. So give him good food. NND का ocean and fish आता है. So that is a very good food. Pumpkin and ocean बोलते हैं उसको. So it's a cod fish also. It's a little expensive, but the food is very good for the dogs. At the moment we're feeding RC and Kana. That is what we have available. NND individually, not every dog loves it. वो थोड़ा हाई प्रोटीन फूड है, उसका टेस्ट थोड़ा सा पता नहीं, इनको समझ नहीं आता. नॉट एवरी डॉग लव दैट फूड. लग रहा है आपका डॉग NND खाता है, सो दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग. देखो इसके नेल्स दिखा दे पीछे. Now you can see his nail trimmed down completely. And that is without we are causing anything. We're just keeping him calm, giving him rubs, and he's just being a good boy throughout the training. It's all good. So now अगर मेरे को उसको injection भी लगवाना पड़ा, all I have to do is hold him like this, and somebody can come and give him an injection. It's all good. Be it a medical, be it anything else. So he can just stay calm. So now पहले ऐसा नहीं था. अगर आपको उसको hold भी करना पड़ा, for example, if I have to hold him in front, I'm just going to use this. You can hold him like this. And somebody can just come like this and use any medical like a injection or anything, and they can just go put it on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good. It's all good. Come on. It's all good. So now you have to take your time with the training. You can't just tell your dog what to do. It takes time. It's been 2 months since we've been doing it. So now we've come up to a place where we're very confident that we can do anything with him, getting his medical done, getting his nails done, anything at all. So that is part of the training. Now when the dog goes home, the dog घर पे जाता है, so the family goes back to the same zone that he might bite you. There's always a chance that your dog might bite you with a reaction because they've learned something in their past. मैं गारंटी लेता हूँ इसके जो प्रीवियस ट्रेनर्स थे उन्होंने इसको बहुत मारा. ये मेरी गारंटी. I've seen him reacting to certain movements. I've seen him reacting to जब यहाँ पे कोई लड़का कोई लकड़ी जलाने के लिए डंडा भी लेता तो he gets scared. And I know कि इसको किसी ने मारा है. That's why he has his PTSD. You're gonna take his muzzle off now. And you're gonna take him for a normal walk. Good boy, Ozzy. Ozzy, come. Ozzy. Good boy. Chalo. No, let Ozzy. Sit. Shake hand. Shake hand. Yes. Salute. Yes, good boy. And we're gonna give him a treat. And that's how you train a dog with the muzzle training. और अपने पास कौन सा बदमाश कुत्ता है? So this is another beagle that we have for training. His name is Tony. ये बाड़मेर से आया है एंड टोनी बहुत सुंदर डॉग है. So we're gonna just show you some small things he's learned, very basic ones. Is come, Tony. Tony, come. Come. Good boy. And turn. And sit. Shake hand. Tony, come. Tony, place. Tony, place. Tony, place. Yes, sit. Tony, sit. Stay. So down. Down. And we're gonna see if he's reacted to the ball or anything. Just he's not interested in toys, so we're gonna see if he's interested in this one. And now he's interested in a fetching toy. He's not interested. Good boy. Tony, place. Place. Sit. Sit. So, जो हमारे मैनेजर साहब हैं वो कहते हैं कि टोनी इज़ नॉट अ ट्रेनेबल डॉग. डाउन. Stay. Head down. Head down. Can you come? Can you walk? Can you come? Tony! Tony, spin. Spin. Come. Spin. Yes. Good boy. Sit. Look. Yes. Up. Yes. Walk. Yes. Picture. 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 Up. Tony. Up. Up. Yes. Up. Up. Easy. Up. Yes. Walk. 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 Chalo. Chalo. Easy. Chalo. Chalo. Good. And that's how Tony is being trained. And that's all for today. Finish. जब आपका डॉग ट्रेन हो जाए, गिव हिम अ बिग रिवॉर्ड. तो आपके डॉग को पता होगी सारी एक्टिविटी खत्म होने के बाद मेरे को बहुत सारा खाना मिलेगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.